I always believed the only limit is your imagination. And this is really true in the world of technology innovation. Innovation is seeking something different, something unique, something new. And in the context of Entain, being innovative is about finding new ways to wow your customers, getting them best out of digital entertainment. When you combine innovation with the technologies available today and those coming soon, the only limits are how far you can push your imagination. Innovation doesn't have to be radical. It could be something small, subtle, but should have the power of revolutionizing the customer experience. Maybe a new AI model, a VR, or a 5G. Finally, innovation for me is about a mindset, an attitude that you apply to whatever you do. This is how we bring thrill to our customers at Entain. Let's be clear, 5G is all about speed, and it will, of course, have a massive impact on our industry. It will open up bundles of opportunities for us to enhance our customer experience, to invent new dimensions of player interactions, and improve gamification as never ever before. However, one point I want to make clear about how we approach innovation at Entain is that we do not go with the wind of external advancements. Instead, we ensure that our growth strategy is complemented rather than being defined by external innovation. So what do? We continuously keep analyzing all our markets, audiences, technology, innovation, ideas, and then adopt our products offering accordingly. It's absolutely important to hit the right balance, else we can even destroy the existing value. And so, yes, it's going to be an excellent opportunity for us, and we are at the forefront of exploring how do we monetize this space? How do we bring the thrilling experience to our consumers? It's hugely exciting, and I'm personally very, very excited about it. And this will be the key to driving the revolution we are aiming for. AI is central to our business strategy and also for player protection. AI, for me, is the traditional business intelligence that has been packaged as a commodity in a very intelligent way. It enables us to learn and adapt to our consumer needs at a speed, with an accuracy, in a way that we could have never ever imagined before. We are able to deliver a hyper-customized experience for our consumers. Imagine this, real-time processing of every data point related to the customer, their playing behavior, location, culture, even the temperature of the day. Then you combine this with the already existing rich data, AI models, and create an experience that's not just unique to them, but right for them at that moment. Imagine what a personalized thrill you can deliver to the end consumers. Personally, for me, this is the wowish moment. What else can you even ask for? At Entain, we don't just use AI to deliver an outstanding customer experience. We use the same power to protect our players every single time they play with us. At Entain, we aim to revolutionize gambling for the betterment of our players. And being a technology innovator, we have made a fundamental shift in our strategy from control to care. What does that mean? Control is about being reactive and restrictive. Care is about being proactive, thoughtful. We know human beings are complex, and the level of care required differs between the individuals. Indeed, it differs in the same individual depending on the day or their specific mood. So what do? We at Entain combine the power of data, our technology, academic research to deliver best-in-class safety for our players. And that's so without compromising their fun whatsoever. This is why we are very different than any other competitors in our business. This level of hyper-personalization is typically used in digital marketing. At Entain, we use it to protect our players as well. And now this is what I call innovation. We have launched a unique program of Advanced Responsibility and Care, ARC. We have recruited a very distinguished academic data scientist. We are revolutionizing our product to bring best of care-based safety to our players. This is how our world is going to look in the coming days. Guaranteeing thrill, guaranteeing experience, but making sure every player plays with us safely. At Entain, we have a granular understanding of how our consumers interact with our products. And so, we're able to keep a finger on the pulse of consumer habits, almost real time. Further, we work globally with the consumer agencies to identify how technologies are evolving and consider their application to us and to our players. I am hugely excited and see a massive potential to build thrilling experiences in the coming days by engaging technologies like AR, VR, and immersive technologies. We know that our consumers and future audiences are seeking for a thrilling, multi-dimensional experience. The power of 5G, AI, and immersive technology will enable us to deliver this thrill that our players are asking for. We are aligning with multiple media partners like Verizon to be at the forefront of leading this space. I'm excited about where we stand technically today. The VR, the AR, holographic technology, the entire immersive experience is the future of our industry. There is no second thought about it. We all know mobile phones revolutionized the world, and they became more of an ecosystem than just being a phone. And we see VR, AR, immersive technologies moving exactly in that same way. I personally very strongly believe that these technologies will not only revolutionize our industry and the player experience, but will also enable our end consumers to connect, socialize, and enjoy our products in a very collaborative way. This is definitely going to be the future. And this will fundamentally change how our players and the future audience perceive and will perceive our products and offering in the coming days. Yes and no. Technology and innovation have always been central to Entain's strategy. Technology has and will fundamentally change how we build our future. The power of technology is unparalleled. However, and this is very important, only when you center it around the end consumer. Coming from a tech background myself, one thing I would like to highlight is that our consumers will no longer be so tolerant or patient as they have been before. It took us about 10 to 15 years to get our mobile user experience right. Honestly, I don't even know whether we still got it right. But now our future audience are not going to give us a second chance. They are not going to be patient. They have tasted the world of tech, tasted the world of holographic technology, laser, VR, immersive experience. So it's very important we get this right. We get it right the very first time. And at Entain, we are at the forefront of leading this space, and we're already making significant investment in getting it right. first Internet of Behavior in the entertainment industry. I strongly believe that retail, gaming, soft gambling, and esports, all of this will converge into one mega sector. And as an industry, we will need to ensure a seamless interaction within these sectors and consumer safety to guarantee the success. Secondly, immersive technology will fundamentally change the way we offer our products to our end consumers. As an example, a customer might be able to play in a holographic casino through a VR set, at the same time placing a bet while watching a stream of sports game. Everything in one seamless integrated experience. Third, and the most important one, I predict the end of static mobile or desktop devices and the emergence of what I call parallel and elastic display. What do I mean by this? Display in the future will occur across multiple platforms, multi-dimensional screens, and will be entirely very specific to the viewer. It's going to change fundamentally how we design our products, how end consumers seek the products, and how will they experience the thrill. Again, at Entain, we are at the forefront of it, monetizing this space, and we're investing heavily to get this right. Growing up as a boy, believing that this type of technology would have been available in my lifetime was inconceivable. But as I always say, with technology, the only limitation is your imagination.